Hello there. Ndewo Igbo. Welcome to our channel, Igbo Live TV. Today's lesson is about how to use good manners in Igbo language. How to use good manners in Igbo language. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Alright, let's begin. Kaibido. Oh, what is good manners? In Igbo language, good manners is ezi omume. Ezi omume. Hello. Ndewo. Hello. Ndewo. Excuse me. Sheregodi. Sheregodi. Thank you. Dalo. Dalo. You are welcome. Ana m asị gị no. Ana m asị gị no. Please. Biko. Biko. I'm sorry. Ọ dị m mwute. Ọ dị m mwute. Forgive me. Gbaghara m. Gbaghara m. So here comes to the end of today's lesson. I hope you do enjoyed it. Also, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And I'll see you on my next video. All right? Thank you. Dalo.